Hello and welcome to Transform My Trading. Today is July 27th, 2026, and I want to cover the NQ market. It was a pretty good market to trade today, starting from the open. And one of the reasons was overnight already we knew that the market had gapped up. So we had two possibilities to either for that gap up to continue going higher or for the market to close the gap. So, of course, the market did the second part. It went down and closed the gap. On the left side here is the 1 minute chart, and here it's the 5 minute chart. So market opened right here and started climbing further down and closed the gap somewhere around here, and it found support exactly, almost exactly at the TMT level. And here is the 1 minute chart, and let me bring the 1 minute chart here as well. Now, there were a bunch of trades going down actually. The market was in a definitely downtrend. So right here, actually the market right there, it closed the gap and then boom, it just started going further down. And that was a good indication to go down right there on the 1 minute. There was another good trade right there, continuation, another one right there as the market broke through uh, another level right there. And then let's say you didn't take any of the short trades here, which we should have because that was a pretty good short actually. And then the market bottomed right there. Look at the double bottom on 1 minute with a divergence. That was a good place to go long on the market, by the way. Yes, the market was in a short status. The bears were winning the equation today, but even then we had the opportunity based on the TMT levels to make sure we get certain trades in with confidence, and this was one of those trades. Okay, so market went back up and played around this level, and when the market opens after certain time periods, I usually add several lines. These gray lines are added after the market open. And look at how the market played around there and then dropped back down. And let's say we didn't take this short. We should have definitely taken this short right here. This one right there. Market went up, tried to come down, tried to come back up and climb higher than this level. It wasn't able to, and then reversed to the next level. All right, so this was another good short based on the levels. And then market found support at this level. And look at the divergence on RSI right there. As the market was playing in this level for almost about 15 minutes, and RSI was going higher. That was a good place. Conservative approach would have been to go high, long above the high of this, or you could have been aggressive enough to go anywhere right there with a stop below that. But again, with aggressive, you're going to be prepared to be stopped out multiple times. Then the next good trade came in again based on the levels. It was right there. Look at how the market came back up and touched that level and also broke through the gray line on the downside and it dropped. That was another good trade. Okay. And there was nothing much here. This happened crazy, but crazily fast. I mean, but look at what happened here at this level. Look how many times the market touched 1, 2, 3, and then it dropped. And then let's say you didn't take this short, you could have taken this short. This was a lower top than this, and then the market dropped. And let's say if you didn't take this one, you should have definitely taken this short right there. As market dropped below these levels, tried to go back up, but it didn't have enough force, and then dropped below and then continued to go lower. So that was another really good trade right there. Now, these trades require patience for you to wait and be able to execute. I mean, this is not this system. It's not. You could scalp it, but that's what I do most of the time. I scalp it because I don't have the guts to stay in there for 100 points, and that's my style. Your style could be different, but my thing that I want you guys to get on a daily basis is patience is your ally. Be patient, wait for the setups, and then the market will reward you. And then as the market, oops, we'll just put that there. Let's see on the 5-minute. Yeah, market played around here, came down and tried to go lower here. So this could have been a good long, but it's not a very clear long on the 1-minute, but on the 5-minute it is, because we had a double bottom above this bottom. So this was one bottom, the second one was higher, so we could have gotten long above here. So that's another strategy. So I don't want to confuse you guys, but look at this level, how the market stayed at this level 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. If I put the 5-minute here, you guys could see it here too. Now, a conservative entry on this last one would have been here, based on the fact that the market did a double bottom above this bottom. Okay. And also at the same time, this level was acting as a strong support. All right, that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. 818-307-5544. Or you guys could go to my website at transformmytrading.com. Again, that's transformmytrading.com, and check out the free trial that I've got there. Thank you.